friends, today we are going to make a video of class 12. Here in this case try to understand all the things which is given here. Okay, here Van de Graaff generator. In this case we want to discuss about Van de Graaff generator. It is device used for building of high potential differences of the order of a few million volts. Okay, million. Here in this case you have to obtain million volts. Okay, what are the principle? This generator is based on the action of sharp points, that is the phenomena of corona discharge. What are the principle? This generator is based on the action of, what things are you observing? Action of sharp points, that is the phenomena of corona discharge. Okay, what things? This action, the action of sharp points, that is the phenomena of corona discharge. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here and try to understand also something difference in this case. Okay, this generator is based on what thing? First, the action of sharp points, that is the phenomena of corona discharge. What thing? Sharp point, that is the phenomena of corona discharge. Okay, here first thing on phenomena of corona discharge, try to understand. Here second, the property that charge given to a hollow conductor is transferred to outer surface and is distributed over it. What thing? The property that charge given to a, hollow conductor is transferred to outer surface and is distributed over it. Next thing, construction. I have drawn this construction of this Van de Graaff generator in another board, but here try to understand construction. S is a large spherical conducting shell of radius equal to a few meters. Radius is few meters. This is supported at a suitable height over the insulating pillars A1, P2. A long narrow belt of insulating material is wound around to pulley P1 and P2. The belt is kept moving continuously. Here belt is moving continuously, going on over the pulleys with the help of a motor. Here you have to use a motor. B1 is called the spray comb. And here we want to discuss about all the things which is given here and try to understand things which is given here. Okay, now next thing, B2 is called the collecting comb. What things are you saying? B2 is called the collecting comb. And next thing, here I am observing that the positive ions to be accelerated are produced in a discharge tube D. Okay, what things are you observing? You are observing that the positive ions to be accelerated are produced in a discharge tube D. The positive ions to be accelerated, you know about acceleration. So here accelerated, positive ions to be accelerated, it means it should be accelerated, are produced in a discharge tube D. The ion source lies at the head of the tube inside the spherical shell. Where is it kept? It is kept at the head of the tube. The other end of the tube carrying the target nucleus is Earth. Other end of the tube carrying the target nucleus is Earth. Here I have Earth, this thing. Okay, try to understand. Here I have Earth, this thing. Nucleus is Earth. The generator is enclosed in a steel chamber C filled with nitrogen or methane at high pressure working. The spray source is given a positive potential with respect to the Earth by high tension source HT. What things? By high tension HT. Due to discharging action of sharp points, a positively, here I have written positively in short, charged electric wind is set up which sprays the positive charge on the belt. What thing? Which sprays positive charge on the belt. Okay. Corona discharge. This is known as corona discharge. It means it is a spreading. What thing? It is a spreading charges. As the belt moves and reaches the sphere, a negative charge is induced. Belt moves where? Reaches the sphere. If belt will reach at the sphere, a negative charge is induced on the sharp ends of the collecting combs. Try to understand about induction. Induced. It means a heavy charge body is kept near the lower charge body or hollow or neutral charge body, and you will observe that after some time that body will also charge. Here, as the belt moves and reaches the sphere, a negative charge is induced on the sharp ends of collecting combs B2 and an equal positive charge is induced on the further end of B2. This positive charge shifts immediately to the outer surface of us. Due to discharging action of sharp points of B2, a negatively charged electric wind is set up. What things are you observing? Electric wind is set up. This neutralizes what things? This neutralizes the positive charge. Here there will be neutralized on the belt. Then charged belt returns down, collects the positive charge from B1. Here now positive charge is collecting, which in turn is collected by B2, and in turn where it is collected by B2. This is repeated. Here this thing will be repeated. Thus the positive charge on S goes on accumulating. What thing? Thus the positive charge on S goes on accumulating. Try to understand about accumulating. Capacity of a spherical cell. Here I have written mathematical part. Capacity of a spherical. In case of a sphere, C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r, where r is radius of the cell. R is the radius of the cell. V is equal to Q by C. No formula. Potential difference is equal to charge by C. Capacitance. Okay, capacitance. V is equal to Q by C. So V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. What thing? V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon. Putting value of C is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0. Here you are putting Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. One thing you have to note after this, hence the potential of the spherical cell goes on increasing right with increase in Q. What things? Hence the potential of the spherical cell goes on increasing with the increase in Q. So here I have discussed about Van de Graaff generator. Try to understand all the things, all the points which is given here, and also you should read several times, then you are able to understand. Okay, and one request to all of you, that what, please subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.